Okay, so here we are discussing about how are we going to plot the table visual. So let us get started with that. So plotting the table visual. So we have the same sample superstore data set. So the icon for table visual, as you can see under visualizations, is this one. So this is the icon for a table visual. Near to it is the icon for a matrix visual, which we will see after this. So to plot a table visual, we are going to click on it and it is going to plot us a black table. So basically in your report, whatever data you want to put for a quick visualization during your reporting process, during your presentation, that you uh, keep over here. So let us see how are we going to decide on. So let us go by maybe product categories. So whatever columns you wish to appear in your table, you have to drag and drop them under the columns. So you see the columns, portion over here. So here you have to drag and drop whatever columns you want to appear in your table. So you can see over here, as soon as I dropped category, the category started appearing over here. Now I'm going to drag and drop certain other things, like I can drag and drop region, then what are their sales values, what are the profit values, and maybe I'll also plot what were the discounts offered. So it's a brief table that I have created over here where I am showing the category, for each category what were their region, and according to that what was the sales made, profits made, and the total discounts that was offered in that particular arena. So here adding a column to a table is pretty straightforward. You drag and drop it in the columns field. If suppose you wish to delete a particular column, so you see a cross over here. So you can click on the cross corresponding to the respective column that you want to delete and it will be deleted. So suppose I don't want a sum of profit column or sum of discount column. So I'll just click on the cross and you can see it has disappeared from our visual. So this is adding the column and deleting the column. There could also be a need of rearranging the columns. So in that case, you have to, press on the column and you have to take it in the portion there where you want it to appear. So suppose I want region column to be the first one. So I'll take it and I'll drag and drop it before the category. Okay. So in this way, you can also reorder the columns. So this is a simple plotting of a table visual. Under the table visual, let us have a look. So it's looking very, small because it is appearing in a default theme. Now I'm going to show you how we can arrange this table. So you can see whenever you are taking your mouse pointer over any of the columns, it shows a small arrow like this. Okay. So when you click on this arrow, it is going to arrange the stuff in ascending or descending order. So you can see I have arranged it in ascending order of category. You can also arrange it in ascending order of profit or sales and so on. So it's a quick way of sorting it out. Also, you can filter out the data. So suppose like till now we have not seen the usage of this filters tab. So this filters tab works like how we have filters in an Excel. So suppose I want to see only the categories which are office supply. So I'll click on it and you can see instantly my table has narrowed down to the office supply products. Okay, or suppose I want to see office supplies and okay, so there is only R and the region which is east and south. So I can apply double layer of filters as well, where I can select the respective required things out of different columns and the data will be shown. Here it could not look very meaningful to, like, very required for you because the data itself is very small. But imagine we have huge tables and in that case filtering out is a very good to see the relevant data or the required data. So this is how we simply plot a table. In my next video, I am going to show you how we can format a table.